AI isn't sci-fi anymore. It's already reshaping our world. It detects diseases earlier than doctors. It even predicts market risks and stops fraud before it happens. Helps self-driving cars avoid accidents. Netflix knows exactly what you'll binge next. And ChatGPT answers your questions instantly, transforming healthcare, education, finance, entertainment, cybersecurity, robotics, and beyond. So what is it? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI overlaps with several fields like data science, robotics, cybersecurity, and cognitive science. But its core foundations, algorithms, programming, and computational models, come from computer science. AI learns from data and works using algorithms. It can understand language, recognize images, make decisions, solve problems, predict trends, and even be creative. Think of it like this. The more examples you give a machine, the smarter it becomes at recognizing patterns and making decisions, just like humans learn from experience. Show it 10,000 cat pictures, and it becomes an expert at spotting cats. The more it sees, the smarter it gets, like teaching a kid, but way faster. AI makes life smarter, faster, safer. From personalized medicine to predicting traffic jams, AI is solving real-world problems. And this is just the beginning. In the future, AI could discover new medicines, fight climate change, and even assist in space exploration. AI lacks emotions, critical thinking, ethics, and true creativity. That's why experts view AI as a powerful collaborator rather than a full replacement for humans, especially in tasks that require empathy, moral judgment, or complex decision-making. AI serves as a powerful assistant, handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks, so people can focus on creativity, innovation, and meaningful decision-making. Instead of replacing humans, AI enhances productivity and makes complex work easier and more efficient. But like any tool, it's up to us to use it wisely and safely. So next time your phone recommends a song, you'll know AI is behind it. AI is here and it's shaping your world. What's one question about AI you want answered next? Comment below. This is Yash Vantan. Thanks for watching. In future videos, we'll explore even more exciting applications of AI.